Before engine start checklist.
Yalla.
Gear pins.
Removed and
All doors.
closed, lights are out.
Safety belts.
Set left.
Set right. Thrust levers.
Idle.
Engine on switches.
Left and right run.
Parking brakes.
Is set.
Strobe. On. Aux on. Right side is clear.
Starting number 2. Good engine, good generator.
Okay.
Starting number 1.
Monterey ground, Horizon 2020, ready to taxi Lima.
Horizon 2020, Monterey ground, runway 2 left, taxi via Alpha.
Taxi 28 left via Alpha, Horizon 2020.
Two good engines, 3 good generators.
KX 737 Golf, Mike,
And
taxi up
before
and hold
taxi.
short, running 2 left.
Your damper zone anti-ice is operative and off. Wing flaps 10.
I see 10
Well,
indicated.
that's
Dust
hard
up.
for
Removed and stowed.
Flight controls.
Checked and correct.
Flying spoilers.
Horizon
Check
737
stowed.
Golf,
Ground
Mike,
spoilers.
pull up
Check
2,
the auto.
taxi
No,
up and hold
understood.
short, running
On.
2 left at November.
And come to.
On to.
November and hold short 28 left. 737 Golf Mike.
KX 737 Golf, Mike, contact tower.
Contact tower.
Monterey ground, Challenger 251 Fox Tango, Del Monte Aviation, taxi with Lima.
November 251 Foxtrot Tango, Monterey ground, hold the position.
Holding position, 1 Fox Tango.
Monterey ground, Cessna 971 Tango Alpha off 28 left at Foxtrot for the jet center.
Cessna 971 Tango Alpha, Monterey ground, taxi depart via Alpha Echo.
Alpha Echo to the jet center, 1 Tango Alpha.
November 737 Golf, Mike, contact tower on 118.4.
Go over this. While we're here.
Oh, we're gonna get the taxi clearance in a minute. Probably behind this guy.
Number 251 Foxtrot Tango, running 2 left, taxi via Alpha. Information Lima current, no delay past the terminal, please.
28 left via Alpha. We do have Lima and no delay past the terminal, 1 Fox Tango.
Alright.
Yep.
Ready?
Yep. Right side clear.
Right turn, Alpha all the way.
Yes.
Ground, Comanche 86, 27 Alpha, Park is Del Monte, information Lima requesting taxi for departure south.
Calling Monterey ground on 120.87, change to 135.45.
Hi, Cirrus.
Yep.
Number 8627, is that Bravo or Papa? Energy 627 Papa, information Lima current, say destination airport for flight following outside of West Charlie.
My rigs?
Hold on, once we get clear of the terminal.
Sure.
I don't want to get stuck here. Power idle, your brakes.
My brakes. Your brakes.
My brakes.
Brakes, nozzle steering.
Check both sides.
Reverse reversers.
24, departure frequency
Checked and
127.15,
stowed.
hold position.
Flight instruments, 2995, 3 times, heading 3 times. Speeds posted 126, takeoff, yaw damper, LNAV is armed, my side. 7,000 initial, and FMS2, FMS1, standby looks good, your side looks good. Transponder 3016, you plugged it in.
Yep.
Radar terrain is working, fuel quantity 4,200, we're landing with the minimums, and anti-ice is off. Engine instruments are in the green, 87.7 takeoff, nav equipment set, and takeoff data. 7,100 feet, we need just under 3,500. Really light, 116, 126. And trims 4.7, 3 greens, that's good. Under 80 or below 80, I'll abort for anything. 80 to V1, abort for major things. Engine failure, engine fire, thrust reversal deployment, loss of directional control, any other thing you don't want to go fly with. Past that, we'll go fly. Climb to 1500, straight out to the sea. And we're going to use Fletch V2 and level off and accelerate. If we do need to come back, we can come back here. We can go north to San Jose or San Francisco, but
They also have Salinas as an option.
Salinas, but we'll try to come back here. Other than that, after takeoff we have LNAV armed. We can use flight level change 250, go up and follow the SID. And that should be it. Questions?
Do not have any.
Calm one?
1 swapped.
I will maintain the setting, Skyhawk 456.
And we have an airplane on a final.
Yep.
See how this whole portion of the airport, I think, is man-made.
I'm Cessna 456, previously called traffic's at your
And the threshold
3
is
to 4
elevated.
o'clock, and correction, you're 9 to 8 o'clock, and 3 miles inbound to Monterey, Embraer 1900 descending.
Yeah, looking for traffic at 8 o'clock.
And no turns
456.
prior to the freeway.
Yep.
We'll try that.
Tower, good afternoon. Challenger 251 Fox Tango holding short 28 left on Alpha, ready to go.
Challenger 251 Foxtrot Tango, Monterey Tower, hold short runway 28 left, landing traffic.
Holding short 28 left, 1 Fox Tango. Taxi lights off.
Roger that. Parking brake is set.
Skyhawk 456, enter right base for runway 28 left, follow that traffic number 2, runway 28 left, clear to land.
So who drives on Laguna Seca?
Yeah.
It's not NASCAR.
28 left, clear to land, Skyhawk
no.
456.
Not Formula. What is it?
November 456 will be right base.
Just different categories.
Right base, Skyhawk 456.
Horizon
Yeah,
2020,
that's-
continue
I know the
runway
name,
heading,
it's
contact
famous.
NorCal 127.15, have a good flight.
Or NorCal, continue runway heading, Horizon 2020, good day.
Oh, we got the Sky West, and there's probably a Cessna or something coming to the north. Good.
I see it there. Yeah.
Okay.
479, roll out to the end of the runway. Your gate is not quite ready yet. At the end, it'll be a left turn on Alpha, then you can expect a right turn into the runway 10 right up there. Yeah. Contact ground 120.87.
All right, we'll make a left turn on Alpha, and then we'll talk to ground service 5479.
On the lineup, if you first cast and one of these don't work, you don't see the light go up.
Okay.
So do them the other way around, and then you're supposed to be left with just the cross bleed.
Yep.
Cessna 456, left turn at Kilo or Juliet, contact ground went off.
I'll take a left turn at Juliet, contact ground, Skyhawk 456.
Challenger 251, Foxtrot Tango, Monterey Tower, thanks for your patience. Runway 28 left, clear for takeoff.
28 left, clear for takeoff, 1 Fox Tango.
Lineup checks, please.
Lineup checks. Parking brake released, air conditioner bleed, APU set for takeoff, probes are on, aircraft lights are on, CAS is boxed, runway heading is confirmed.
And final is clear. She's all yours.
Fine. Thrust set.
Thrust is achieved. Airspeed 1, 2, 3, alive. 80 knots.
Check.
Engines looking good. B1, rotate. Positive brake.
Gear up.
.400 feet.
Flaps up.
And we're over the freeway.
Okay.
Gear up. Flaps
November
up.
1,
Perfect.
Foxtrot Tango, contact NorCal 127.
2715, 1 Fox Tango, good day. NorCal, hello, Challenger 251, Foxtrot Tango, 2700, Monterey 5.
Challenger 251, Fox Tango, NorCal departure, we are contact, altitude leaving.
Leaving 3400, 1 Fox Tango.
Number 1, Foxtrot Tango, climb and maintain, follow 190.
Climb and maintain 190, 251 Fox Tango.
19 set.
Fletch.
Number 1,
250.
Foxtrot Tango, make a left turn, fly heading 250, vectors for surfer.
Left turn 250, vectors for Surfer, 251 Fox Tango.
Heading
And this
to
Series 4 Delta Sierra, maintain VFR, clear ILS, runway 31, approaching to Salinas.
250.
Roger, clear for the
Thank you.
ILS, runway
Kelch
31, approach to
250.
the Salinas. 4 Delta
98,000.
Sierra.
Perfect, thanks.
Number 4 Delta Sierra, maintain VFR.
After takeoff?
We'll say VFR
After takeoff
4.2.
checks are complete.
Okay. Gonna swap the bleeds.
Absolutely gorgeous out there.
Yeah.
Bleeds are set, we're pressurizing, we're breathing engines.
Tango, continue the left turn, clear direct to Surfer.
Left turn direct Surfer, 241 Fox Tango.
Surfer, confirm.
Confirmed.
Nav is available.
Nav engaged. Nav captured.
And
NorCal approach,
confirming you.
Tiger 286, one miss. We're going to hold it, promise.
Tiger 286, NorCal Roger, rear contact, maintain VFR and say your current altitude.
Current altitude 1,700, climbing to 2,700, 286.
286, Roger, thank you. Skyhawk 15 Lima, maintain VFR at or above 3,000.
10,000 checks, please.
10,000 checks coming right up.
Skyhawk 15 Lima, maintain VFR at or above 3,000.
What's that for 915 Lima?
15 Lima, affirmative, maintain VFR at or above your current altitude.
We're pressurizing, Delta is rising.
November 286, maintain VFR at or below 2,500, 2,500.
Is off and off.
2,500, 286, at or below.
Flight 10 APU is off. 10,000 checks complete.
Copy.
Bravo 21, contact Oakland Center on 307.0. Have a good day.
Departure, Comanche 86, 27 Papa, 1,800 climbing.
Comanche 86, NorCal departure, rear contact. And what is your destination? Maintain VFR.
Alpha,
Autopilot
Victor,
engaged.
going 11,500.
Autopilot, green.
And November 27 Papa, you said you're going to be 11.5?
That's a firm for Comanche 27 Papa.
Thank you.
NorCal, this is 3 Whiskey Tango. We have information Oscar for Palo Alto.
And last calling over the line, again.
NorCal, this is Cirrus 3 Whiskey Tango, and we have information Oscar for Palo Alto.
Thank you for Oscar. Maintain VFR at your discretion, and you can expect your footprint for the next sector.
Maintain VFR, expect next descent, 3 Whiskey Tango.
No sun on the beach today.
Number 15 Foxtrot Tango, contact Oakland Center, 134.55. They'll have higher for you. Good day.
3455, 1 Fox Tango, good day.
Transition.
Yep.
Oakland Center low, Challenger 251 Fox Tango, 180, climbing 1900.
November 251 Foxtrot Tango, Oakland Center, Roger. Climb maintain, flight level 270.
Climb 270, 1 Foxtrot Tango.
270 set.
270 IC. And transition checks.
November
complete.
3903 Sierra Golf, contact LA Center 126.52.
2652, 393 Sierra Golf.